Everyone, welcome back. If you do not know, my name is Devon. Here on my channel, I cover all things beauty. That includes makeup, fragrance, and designing here and there. If you think that is something you'll be interested in, then I hope you stay and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you're notified every week when I upload. Today's very simple lip is going to be a mini of the Give Beauty lipstick. This one is in the original recipe, and this is just the shine version. I just grabbed the first little red lipstick I found. That is what this is. No liner or anything, just a simple classic red lip, and that is my lip look of the day. And in today's video, you guys, we are doing a declutter video. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, decluttering is very hard for me. I'm not quite a hoarder, but I do have things it's hard for me to let go. But I'm doing this because financially I need the money right now to put towards some other stuff that we have going on personally, and also these are things that I just do not reach for, so I'm trying to cut back on having things that just sits in my collection and collect dust. So this is probably going to be a 3-part video. In this video, I think I'm going to do my Victoria's Secrets and then some other little random fragrances, and then I'll do a Bath and Body Works declutter, and then I will do a fragrance declutter. You guys, I would appreciate it so much if any of you guys are interested in any of these scents. Please comment down below, let me know. We can work out some sort of form of payment. If not, majority of this stuff is going to go on my Mercari anyway, and you can always purchase off of there if you feel more comfortable. But Mercari takes a nice amount from like the actual sellers who sell things, as well as the buyers. They make you pay like a certain fee. So if you want to go ahead and cut the middleman out, just let me know, and we can do some sort of like bundle deal or something for any of my supporters that want to do that. Any of you are interested, just like I said, let me know. And yeah, so with the first bag, which has the least amount of stuff in here, so this is the reason why I'm doing it first. So I told you I have some Victoria's Secret, and then I think I have a couple other random little things. So I think we're gonna go ahead and start with like some of the random sprays in here. I have like 4 random sprays. So this first one is actually from Carol's Daughter. This one is almond cookie. This is the EDT. This is sweet marzipan, warm vanilla, and almonds. I have like the body butter or body souffle or something as well, if anyone is interested in that. I might pop a picture in it, but I am thinking about selling these two together, because I'm not really into the scent like that. I don't know, it's a little too almond heavy for me. I don't know what it is, but I'm not really into this scent. So yeah, I'm getting rid of that. And then this, I think I'm going to be selling as a bundle deal. These are 3 fragrances from the Good Scent, and this is Caramel Chai Swirl. This one has fresh caramel chai latte spices and fresh whipped cream, so I'm going to get rid of that, as well as gooey butter cake. I have this, I think, in a perfume, so I don't really need the spray. This is gooey caramel, whipped pistachio, and vanilla cream. And then the very last one is golden s'mores. This is marshmallow, warm chocolate, and toasted graham cracker. So I'll probably use all of these maybe once, if that. Honestly, they have really been, I think the gooey butter cake is the one I've used the most of, as you can see, but I don't really use these, y'all, so I just need to get them out of my collection. Again, trying to stop hoarding things. Okay, then I have a couple things from Victoria's Secret and Pink. So I'll start with the pink ones. This one is a petal gloss, and it looks like this. This one is pear, coconut water, and pink cotton flower. This one is really pretty, but I never wear it, so I don't need it. We have cotton candy. You guys, I've used this just a little bit. As you can see, I have 2 of these, and I did not need both of these, so I'm thinking about getting rid of this one. This is strawberry, sugar, fluffy vanilla, and boardwalk air. This is a really pretty cotton candy sugary scent, but I have 2 of those. I don't need 2. I'm getting rid of Old Cherry. This is from last year. This is dark cherry, red pomegranate, vanilla, amber. So many of these scents smell very similar to one another. I have a lot of cherry scents, and I don't need an overwhelming amount of cherry. Like I have cherry from Victoria's Secret, from Pink, from Bath and Body Works, from other brands. Like I don't. This is a sexy, deep, dark Tom Ford Louse cherry type of scent, so I don't need that. I'm also getting rid of Sun Blossom, and this is Crisp Air, Wild Strawberry Blossom, and Sun Wash Denim. I don't think I really like this one. It's okay, it's just not for me. I think it's a little too floral. If there's anything in here that you see that you want to bundle, should I do them individually, you know, whatever, just let me know. And then the last one from Pink is Apple Dream, and this one has Golden Delicious Apple, Gloss Candy Coating, and Autumn Amber. Y'all, I'm not an apple girl. I keep buying apple scents, I keep trying, and they just don't work for me. And as you can see, majority of these are pretty much full. The only one that has a little bit of usage is the cotton candy one, but everything else, it's full. I don't need all of these. I don't need a bunch of apple scents. I don't even like apple, so yeah. Then I have a couple from Victoria's Secret. From this particular collection, I think I'm going to list these two together. This is Private Sun Deck, and this one has Solar Citrus, Tonka, and Pineapple. This actually smells really nice. And then this one is Garden View. This one has Hibiscus, Starfruit, and Mandarin. So both, probably just reviewed them. I never use these. I need to get rid of them, okay? One that I think I've told you guys before that I like cannot stand is Strawberries and Champagne. They recently just brought this one back out. This has Wild Strawberry, Sparkling Champagne, Bubbly Forever. Don't like this one. It's just not for me. It's too, like, I think, I don't know what it is, but it's not for me. I don't like that one. Then I'm getting rid of Love Spell Untamed. I think this is the only one I have from the Untamed collection from a couple years ago. This one has a Forest Pear, Apricot Nectar, and Love Spell. It smells really, really pretty, but I don't need it. So getting rid of Pineapple High. This is Pineapple Slice, Kiwi Melts, and Vanilla Rum Rush. This is nice, but it's, to me, I don't care for this one. And I do have other pineapple scents that I reach for more than this, so I was like, it's no point of me keeping that. Another scent I have is Lush Cherry Cream, and I told y'all I have too many cherry scents, so I'm just kind of getting rid of this because it has a cherry in it. This has Juicy Raspberry and Lush Orchid and Cherry. Another deep sexy cherry. It's a little bit different because of the raspberry in here, but I don't need it. I have too many cherry scents, and majority of them smell alike in my opinion, so I don't need that one. And then the very last one that I've been debating about this one, okay, we're gonna see, but this is Velvet Petals Candy, and I really enjoyed the candy collection. This is Caramel Ribbon, Glazed Petals, and Nostalgic Twist on Velvet Petals. So I like this one, but it smells a little bit too similar to another Velvet Petals that I have in my collection I can't think of right now, but I do like this scent, but I forgot which one it was that it smelled similar to, and I just kept that one, and I'm getting rid of this one. So guys, this wasn't a super long video. I just wanted to show you some of the Victoria's Secret things that I am trying to get rid of. I would greatly appreciate it if any of you were interested in any of these. You go ahead and comment down below, let me know, or like I said, head over to my Mercari. You can message me there if these aren't up yet, because it's going to take some time for me to kind of put all of these in categories and stuff like that. But yeah, I have a lot of things that I need to get rid of, and stay tuned for my Bath and Body Works declutter as well, because I'm getting rid of some stuff. So yeah, you guys, that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in another video. Bye guys.